bacon.
Hmm? What's that, Mama? Oh, Caitlin, you just smushed the cracker all the way up. Look at you. You gotta get it. What happened to it? Where'd it go? Where's your crackers? They're not in your hand anymore. Huh? Where are they? They're on your shirt, Mama. You feel them? You feel them on your shirt? Can you get them with your hands? Huh? Can you get them with your hands? No, they're not on there. They're on your shirt. They're on your shirt. Huh, Mama? You find them?